Hi, I'm Kimberly Ballou. I'm a content writer here at UWorld in the College Readiness Department. And today I'm going to talk about some popular misconceptions about the reading section on the SAT and ACT. There are many misconceptions about the reading section of the SAT and the ACT. It's important to recognize these misconceptions because believing them can lead to you not studying enough or not studying correctly, and that results in lost points and a lower score. So let's get started. Misconception number 1. I'm a good reader, so I don't need to practice for the reading section. The reality is, it's important to practice reading the types of passages and answering the specific types of questions you will encounter on the test. Your curriculum at school may or may not feature the same kinds of passages and questions, so you need to make an effort to practice with actual exams or with well-modeled questions. Misconception number 2. The reading section is totally subjective, so there's no way to practice for it. The reality is the SAT and ACT are standardized tests. That means every question is designed to have an objective answer that can be found by reading the passage. You need practice in answering the specific question types found on these exams so that you know how to find the correct objective answer. Misconception number 3. You have to understand everything you read. The reality is, the context can help you figure out the answer to many questions, even if you don't completely understand the passage. For example, many of the more difficult science passages use a lot of technical jargon, but you can still find the answer by reading a couple of sentences before and after the topic that's mentioned in the question. Misconception number 4. You should approach every section or passage type the same way. The reality is, the approach for literature, social science, history, science, paired passages, and passages with graph questions are different. For example, for science passages, it can really help if you understand what factors make evidence good versus not so good, whereas that's unnecessary with a literature passage. That's something you can only find out with practice. Well, I hope this has been helpful information. If it has, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Remember, your dream school requires a dream score, so keep studying and prepping with UWorld. Your hard work is going to pay off. See you next time.